What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna make a review video. We found these bad boys at Walmart. Sour Patch Kids Oreos, and on the back it says sour sweet Oreos. Now I'm not gonna judge before I try these, but I don't know what to expect. But Sour Patch Kid Oreos, I don't know, but we'll see. Hold up. And as y'all can see, we're at the lake. Okay, having some fun, right, TJ? All right, so this is what it looks like. You can see, I don't know if those are bits and pieces of Sour Patch Kids in the cookie, but yeah. And then in the cream, it also has the same. I don't know if y'all can see it. It might be a little hard, but yeah. What? Hold on. Let me see if it's the candy that's in the biscuit. Alright, so as you can see right there, Sour Patch Kids flavored cookies and cream. So I think it is the Sour Patch Kids in the cookie and the cream. So yeah, let's try it. Is it hard to bite?
Very good. I love it.
I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. You literally taste the sour pieces. TJ's dancing. But you literally taste the sour pieces as you chew. You don't get it right away. You get sweet when you first bite it, but then as you chew, you taste the sour pieces mixing into it. Not terrible. Not terrible, because I don't know. I didn't think I was going to get something this good. Let's see.
I never had the sweet cookie before.
That ain't too bad.
Yeah, not too bad.
TJ, you so short.
Well, I look kind of tall in the video, right?
Let's see. That was just the cream. Yeah, you definitely get the sour inside that cream. I mean, you're not gonna get that. You're not gonna get the original Oreo taste. Either way, it's still pretty good. It's okay. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. Creative, and what they were going for, they did it. I definitely get what they were going for, so not bad. You like Sour Patch Kids, you like Oreo, give it a try. What'd you say, TJ?
Peace out.
I mean, do you like it?
Yes.
There you go. There you go. But I think they got exactly what they were looking for with this one, so not bad. I think this one would get the 10 out of 10 for me, because I feel like what they were looking for, they got it. So 10 out of 10. I don't have any issues
I'll give this one 120. 120 out of 120.
Okay, there you go. TJ said it. Can't say anything else. If TJ says that's what it is, that's what it is. Okay, hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time,
peace out.